The powerful obstacle crossing capability and adaptive suspension system allow LUBA Mini to smoothly traverse steep slopes, potholes, rough terrain, or tall and thick grass. The UltraSense AI vision combined with the RTK navigation system ensures mow under the tree without satellite signals. Thanks to the powerful visual positioning, it can precisely recognize lawns and other boundaries, achieves riding-style zero-distance edge cutting. UltraSense AI vision automatically detects invisible boundaries during mowing, keeping it within designated lawn areas. Using advanced image processing, it identifies the transition between grass and non-grass surfaces, preventing the mower from entering pathways, flower beds, or other off-limits zones. It also features intelligent obstacle avoidance that recognizes over 200 objects and chooses appropriate avoidance strategies. With 4G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, you can conveniently track LUBA's status, anytime, anywhere through Mammotion app. You can select different mowing patterns and designs, planned mowing modes such as parallel, checkboard, diamond grid. Easily manage 20 mowing areas, including front and backyards, roadsides and no-go zones such as pools and flower beds. Using patented algorithms, the LUBA Mini AWD 800 lawn mower robot automatically optimizes mowing paths for different areas, ensuring efficient mowing and leaving beautiful lawn stripes. After automatically recharging, it seamlessly resumes mowing where it left off. Anti-theft features. LUBA Mini offers GPS tracking and anti-theft protection, providing users with peace of mind by enabling them to track its location. It supports a lost feature that prevents unauthorized use. Once activated, the first user becomes the rightful owner and can grant access to family members.